In this video, I want to answer the question, what is Six Sigma? Six Sigma is an idea that was introduced by Motorola to reduce the defects in its manufacturing process. The Six Sigma refers to 6 standard deviations, and in statistics, the measure, a standard deviation, is given the symbol sigma. And in any distribution, the number of items that fall outside of 6 standard deviations from the mean is vanishingly small. So what Six Sigma is all about is reducing the number of defects to a vanishingly small amount. It is fundamentally a process improvement methodology that focuses on increasing quality. Now, however, we can see Six Sigma as about more than just achieving quality standards. It is a toolset for business improvement and a mindset that often dominates a company's culture. And of course, it is also the basis for a huge consulting and training industry. Six Sigma focuses on understanding customers' requirements and on eliminating defects and waste from its manufacturing processes. So the primary benefits are increases in quality, reductions in waste, and therefore a reduction in the cost of manufacturing and an increase in customer satisfaction. Six Sigma training takes the metaphor of coloured belts from the Japanese martial arts, and there are 4 levels of qualification: the yellow belt, the green belt, the black belt, and the master black belt. Yellow belt status is awarded after 1, 2, maybe 3 weeks of training in understanding the basic methodology of Six Sigma. With another 1 or 2 weeks of training, particularly in problem solving and managing a Six Sigma team, you can gain your green belt. It is typically green belts that lead the initiatives within a Six Sigma project. Black belts lead Six Sigma project teams. To earn your black belt, you will typically need up to 4 weeks additional training. You'll need experience of 2 or more Six Sigma projects, and you'll have to pass a test. A master black belt is an experienced Six Sigma black belt who goes on to train, to coach, and to mentor other black belts. Six Sigma has developed a large toolset of very powerful and useful business improvement tools. And the first one is the one that we use in constructing the life cycle of a Six Sigma project, but it is also used in problem solving, often known as the DMAIC process. DMAIC stands for the stages of problem solving and indeed the life cycle stages for a Six Sigma project. Define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. We define the problem, we measure as much data as we can to help us to characterize the problem, then we analyze that data, we use that as the basis for making the improvement, and then we control the process to make sure that that improvement is sustained and creates the basis for future improvements. Six Sigma also has its own design process, which follows the life cycle with the acronym DMAIC. This stands for define, measure, analyze, design, and verify. The verification stage is, of course, testing the design and taking it through prototyping and a series of different design stages. Other tools have found their way into all sorts of managerial processes and toolkits. Perhaps best known are the 5 Whys method for establishing root causes and the Ishikawa method, or the fishbone diagram, also for understanding cause and effect. But there are other tools like the 5 C's, SIPOC analysis, box plots, and failure mode and effect analysis, FMEA, about which I've already done a video in this series. Six Sigma process improvement projects tend to take between 3 and 6 months, although there's no rules around that, and they tend to follow the DMAIC life cycle of define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. They're typically led by a 6 Sigma black belt, with a group of green belts leading activity teams. In my experience, if you're working within an organization that is a 6 Sigma organization, then there will be a lot of value and benefit for you as a project manager to become trained in the 6 Sigma methodology so that you can add that to your project management skill set. And if you're looking for a role as a project manager, particularly in manufacturing and other industries which embrace 6 Sigma, it's well worth seeking out and gaining 6 Sigma training. 6 Sigma is all about process improvement to reduce defects. And if that's the kind of project you fancy getting involved in, then 6 Sigma is a toolset for you. Please do give a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll be creating loads more great project management content, so please do subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of it. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.